Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm Jamie.
Nice to meet you too. Are you here to check out the art or just enjoy the vibe?
A bit of both, actually. I love seeing new artists. How about you?
Same here. I'm always curious to see how people express themselves. By the way, do you come to these fairs often?
Not really. This is my first time. I usually end up binge watching shows on the weekend instead.
That's honest. Well, you're in for a treat. There are some really interesting pieces this year.
I bet. So, Alex, what do you do when you're not exploring art fairs?
I'm a graphic designer. I work mostly with small businesses on branding. It's fun, but sometimes stressful.
That sounds cool. I work in marketing, so I know a little about the creative side. Maybe we even overlap sometimes.
Oh, definitely. Marketing and design are like peanut butter and jelly. They just go together.
Perfect analogy. So, do you do any personal projects too, or just client work?
I try to, but honestly, client work eats up most of my time. Lately, I've been experimenting with digital painting. It's messy, but fun.
That sounds amazing. I wish I could draw. The closest I get is doodling on sticky notes.
Hey, doodles are a start. Sometimes they're the best kind of creativity.
True? Smiles. So, Alex, do you live around here?
Yeah, I live just a few blocks away. How about you?
I'm actually new in town. Just moved a couple of months ago for work.
Oh, welcome. That must be exciting and a little scary at the same time.
Exactly. I'm still figuring out the best coffee spots. Do you have a favorite cafe nearby?
Oh, yes. There's a small one called Bean and Brush. Best lattes ever, and bonus, they have free Wi-Fi if you want to work there too.
Perfect. I'll have to check it out. Hey, maybe we can go together sometime.
I'd love that.
Awesome. So, what do you like to do when you're not working or exploring art fairs?
I love hiking. Nothing beats being outside and away from screens. How about you?
Hiking sounds great. I enjoy reading and trying out new recipes, though I might burn half of them.
That's okay. Cooking disasters are just part of the adventure.
True. Maybe one day you can teach me some cooking tricks and I can show you the art of messy dishes.
Deal. By the way, I love how easy it is to talk to you. First meetings are usually awkward, but this feels natural.
I feel the same. I guess finding common interests makes everything easier.
Absolutely. So, Jamie, do you like music?
Yes, I can't live without music. I love all kinds, but mostly indie and jazz.
Same here. I was actually at a small jazz concert last month. It was incredible.
No way. I love live jazz. We should go to a concert together sometime.
That sounds like a plan.